backside literally had no shape. Now understand, no, I did not have a juicy booty from the beginning at all. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so it is, of course, we are in 2022. There has been a lot of changes with your girl, so I just want to get on here and share with you more of a updated weight loss journey, I should say. Alright, so if you have not checked out my last video, please make sure you go ahead and check that out, because it really basically explains how my body, as far as like from 2020 when I did keto, how my body composition looks totally different, but my weight is still the same based off on the scale. So in 2021 I went on a weight loss journey. Basically I went in not fully understanding what I truly wanted, and then I got distracted with the scale and so forth. So that brings me into today, which is let me see the date. So it is January 10th. January 6th is when I started to really hone in onto what I truly want. My body is not what I wanted. 2021, yes, I lost 2 dress sizes. I went down from a 16 to a 14. Mind you, I am still in a 14, still at the same weight that I was prior to losing weight. I did keto in 2020. Now my goal is this year, so let's get straight to the point. My goal is this year is to have fat loss, not weight loss. And I'm explaining that in a minute. Fat loss and muscle gain, okay? Now last year I was trying to do weight loss and muscle gain, and that was not working for me. So the reason why weight loss and fat loss is totally different is because weight loss is what I did with keto when I was very restrictive, and that was totally based off on the scale. That's what weight loss is. It's basically targeted on the scale, on the number. So I lost the 18 pounds, but when I lost the 18 pounds, I lost a lot of muscle mass, which is why my body just looked slim, but there was no muscle at all, and my backside literally had no shape. Now understand, no, I did not have a juicy booty from the beginning at all, period, but I did have a little curvature. But when I lost those 18 pounds, your girl didn't have any, okay? So it was just straight flat as a board, like my back. So understand, follow me. Which is why 2021 I was trying to build muscle, but I ate in a calorie surplus. So that was my mistakes right there on that part. So now that I understand a little bit more than what I knew last year, now I am ready to 2022 and just really focus on fat loss and muscle gain. Now fat loss is basically I am going to be eating in a calorie deficit, but not so much of a calorie deficit where it is weight loss. I am only going to cut 100 to 200 calories out of my maintenance calorie intake. I'm only cutting 100 to 200, and then, because that's what you call your cut. And then with that, I'm still going to lose some weight, because as long as you're in a calorie deficit, you're going to lose weight. If you are cutting 500 calories out of your maintenance phase, then you're going to drop a lot of weight. I just want to lose enough fat little by little, and then I am going to be using my HIIT, which is where my cardio comes in at, which is going to help aid to that fat loss. Then with my muscle gain is where I'm going to go back into lifting weights like I did last year, except for I'm not eating in a calorie surplus. I'm going to eat high protein, which is going to help fuel my muscles and muscle recovery and so forth. So it's basically going to help aid with my muscles, so therefore I can look a little bit more lean and have some definition rather than just slim from weight loss. So fat loss and muscle gain. So hopefully that made sense. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of more videos about it, not so much of the science part, but so much of what I am doing. I'm going to be doing more videos on workouts, like specific workouts that I loved last year that I was doing around the first 3 to 4 months of 2021. Now I didn't do a whole lot of videos on as far as lifting weight. I will do that and incorporate that. Far as like my exercise regimen is no longer going to be a splits like I did last year. Last year I did weightlifting on Mondays, Tuesdays was HIIT Cardio, and then I alternated throughout the week, and I only did it for 5 days out of the week. I am going to be doing full body weightlifting straight through Monday through Friday, or I might just cut it down to Monday through Thursday. And then following after my weightlifting, I'm going to do my HIIT Cardio, and I'm only going to do 10 minutes of that. So you need only just 10 to 20 minutes of that, and that's going to help me maximize my fat loss and get the gains that I need, okay? Far as what I'm eating, I already said it, is going to be high protein. So how you can calculate your protein is basically apply it by 0.8 times your weight, and that's how many grams of protein you are going to need. Now, if you are someone that is over 150 pounds, you already know it's going to, you know, you're going to have to eat a lot more grams of protein. So mine is 154 grams of protein, and honey, I am full. I've been full all day, but I had to keep eating my protein because I have to make sure I get enough to fuel my muscles. There. Okay, so I will keep you updated, all right? I will keep you updated on that. So just know that when I do something that restrictive, it's only because I'm just trying to reset my body. That's it. But for the most part, it's going to be straight up protein, protein, protein. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all of that jazz. And thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will chat with you guys later this week. So goodbye, gorgeous. Yeah, I'm looking a little rough. It's nighttime. I took a shower, and you know it's time to go to bed. All right, bye.